Looks like I'm off a Top Gun or something. Maverick Goose. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road 4-wheel drive. In the last video, we did get the super bright LED light bar put behind the bumper. It was a little bit of a challenge, but it was no problem for us. We overcome it. We put in the new LED fog lights. We got everything wired up. Everything's looking amazing. We need a few little things to kind of button this thing back up. So what I want to do right now in today's video, we're going to give it a nice wash, and we should have some super bright Raptor lights coming in. So we want to get those stuck on, get the fender liners put back in, just button this truck on up. But since it hadn't got a wash since we bought it, and it's a little bit cool out here today, but we're going to give it one. We're going to jump on it. We're going to get it cleaned up. So let's stop talking and let's start washing. Well, we did get that truck a nice washing just in the nick of time, because it come a little bit of a snow. Not much of a snow, but a little bit of a snow. So ground's all white, and it is really cold outside. It's a good thing for us that we're going to go right inside the garage. We got our Tundra in there waiting on us. We're going to get it all cleaned up on the inside, because we hadn't had a chance to do that. So we're going to get it all cleaned up, wiped up, polished up, vacuumed up. Get this sucker looking amazing. Kind of show y'all a little more about the inside you hadn't really seen just yet. So let's get out of the cold and let's get it done. Now there is a couple of things that I've been doing This is that slow go stuff you just kind of button up and nobody really wants to see. But if you do this mod, these rubber seals are not going to fit the fenders. They do not fit the 2020 fenders at all. So what I did is I just retained the clips. So I made this template. Just marked it off, put it up on the fender, drilled me some small holes, and then I used a step bit to get me to the size I needed for my clip. So we could clip it back down and hold it all in. So now it's all back in there like it should be. That is the way that went. And then check this out. So we did get the fender liners buttoned up. We got those in. These are all 2020 fender liners. It turned out pretty good. We probably spray some, spray bomb black paint up under there. We may have to get a new one, a new piece here. I used the old piece. It kind of fits, so we're gonna try it and see how it does. So just easy, a little time consuming job. Just putting in the fender liners. I did have to get new fender liners for the 2020. May still have to get the one up front for the bumper. I used the one off this 13 for now. We're just gonna see how it holds up. It might be okay, it might not, but if not, we'll get the right one. But so far, it looks pretty good. So let's continue cleaning this out. Man, this truck it was already really clean inside. We just gave it a little wipe down with some Armor All on the dash and stuff. We still may clean the windows just a little bit. They're really not that dirty, but we probably give them a rub down here when I can get it out in the sun and kind of see where the Armor All is left. But we went ahead and put a little leather conditioner on the seats. Got that going. That's looking absolutely phenomenal. This truck was so very clean. We're waiting on the Raptor lights to come in. They should be in any minute. When they get in, we're gonna put them on. And I think we're gonna be real close with this truck. Woo, it is a cool winter day. Can't decide if it wants to be cold or it wants to snow or it wants to be warm. But we have got in, check it out. We got our lights in. Check out these LEDs. These things are gonna go on the front of the grill. We're gonna put them on front of this grill. So we're gonna try to figure out how to put them right in there, right in here somewhere. And these things, they are awesome because they came with the universal mounting system, the cable tie. You can't beat it. You honestly can't beat a cable tie. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see, it came with a wiring harness, came with some bolts. You'd think we learned our lesson off of eBay after the fiasco with the light bar, but you know what? These things were like $30, so we gotta give them a try. We're gonna give them a try. We're gonna hop to it. We're gonna make it look perfect. How about that? Those Raptor lights on this Tundra, they look pretty good. They look pretty sweet. I like the cable tie method. I think it looks pretty good. You can't even tell that we tied them in there with cable ties because the grille's all black, the lights are all black, they're smoked, so you won't even see them when we cut the lights off. They'd just be hidden in there. We wired them in to the low beam headlights, so when you turn the low beam headlights on, they're gonna come on. Just run a wire into the fuse box, tap the little add a fuse on there, give us some power for these lights. I think they turned out amazing. It was just a little piece of the puzzle that this truck needed. Just some little lights up front to accent the huge bar that we got down below. If you hadn't checked that video out, check it out. The bar turned out absolutely amazing. Had a little trouble fighting the brackets, but it turned out amazing. We love this truck. We think it's coming along great. If you hadn't followed us on Instagram, go ahead and do that at orangewires01. Follow us on Instagram. We always give updates before they hit YouTube, so go out there, follow us there. Drop us a like, leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.